Welcome to the Amish Village in Pennsylvania. Located in the heart of Pennsylvania Dutch country, the Amish Village offers an authentic look at today's Amish lifestyle. Located on 12 scenic acres of land, the Amish Village lets visitors enjoy a genuine Amish property and experience Amish culture up close. Amish cuisine is noted for its simplicity and traditional qualities. Food plays an important part in Amish social life. The Amish are known for their plain attire. Men wear solid-colored shirts, broad-brimmed hats, and suits that signify similarity amongst one another. Women have similar guidelines on how to dress, which are also expressed in the Amish version of legislation. Most Amish speak Pennsylvania Dutch, but Indiana's Swiss Amish also speak Alemannic dialects. As of 2023, over 377,000 Old Order Amish lived in the United States, and about 6,000 lived in Canada. Amish lifestyle is regulated by rules, which differs slightly from community to community and from district to district within a community. There is no central Amish governing authority. Each Amish community makes its own decisions, and what is acceptable in one community may be unacceptable in another. Amish men grow beards to symbolize manhood and marital status, as well as to promote humility. They are forbidden to grow mustaches. Amish communities are known for traveling by horse and buggy because they feel horse-drawn vehicles promote a slow pace of life. But most Amish communities do also allow riding in motor vehicles, such as buses and cars. The Amish do not usually educate their children past the 8th grade, believing that the basic knowledge offered up to that point is sufficient to prepare one for the Amish lifestyle. Almost no Amish go to high school and college. To get a glimpse of the Amish world, a visit to the Amish Village is a lot of fun. If you enjoyed our short video, please do not forget to like, follow and share. Thank you.